16-year-old Grace Bryant has liked singing, dancing, and acting ever since she watched the Broadway musical in New York when she was little.
I'm a sophomore and it's high school, so I have a lot of homework and stuff. I try to finish it before school ends, but I'm so excited. I'll just finish my homework and go to sleep. So knowing that I have Young Americans tomorrow.
After school, she heads to the Young Americans workshop with her friends. Is this a reunion? It is for Grace. She already knows some of the members because this is the 6th time she has participated. The Young Americans is a performing art organization that travels around the world to teach its young members the importance of music through a series of singing and dancing workshops. Camp Zama first brought the group on base 9 years ago, giving children in military communities the chance to participate.
I got used to it, but before, when I was little, I would be the shyest person on stage. But I think performing in general helped me a lot to be more open and confident.
The annual workshop consisted of 3 days of rehearsals at Arnn Elementary School. Each day, students got to sing, dance, act, and even write lyrics for songs they would get to sing on stage.
We teach an entire 1-hour show in only 3 days. And so they learn a lot very, very quickly. And that it's not just about singing and dancing, but it's about becoming a stronger person or believing in yourself.
Young Americans definitely helped me to just believe in myself, I guess. As I get older, I start learning more about, not just about performing, but about myself.
Grace is the oldest participant in the workshop. Backstage, she says she joined this year to be a leader and help the younger students. Among the 42 members of the Young Americans troops were in Japan for 3 months. 3 are alumni of Zama American Middle High School. Sabrina Hunter, in the middle, says being a part of the Young American has been nothing but fun.
Honestly, I laugh every day with these people, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. The best thing coming back to Camp Zama is knowing that we are still able to come back here and inspire the kids and work with them, and I just hope that we're inspiring them just as much as they inspired me.
Finally, it's the last day, performance night. While the students got in their final rehearsals before the show, eager parents waiting in line in the cold rain.
They were practicing all night every week, and I can't wait to see them.
I'm not nervous at all. I'm ready. I'm pumped.
She loves everything about Young Americans. Seeing her happy just makes us happy.
And it makes us happy to see her doing something she loves.
Yes.
When I started taking workshop, I was kind of like in the back, you know, like trying to keep up. But now it's kind of like I gotta be in the front and like show everyone. I loved every moment of it. I love performing. It's so fun, and I'm the happiest when I'm performing.
To believe in yourself. That so many times in life we don't have an opportunity to show who we really are, and I want the workshop to be an opportunity for the students to be able to come forward, show the world who they are, to try something new, and have a new confidence in who they are. And I believe music has the power to do that.
Just like the back of her t-shirt says, Grace believes she rocks the world.
Until my senior year, I'm doing Young Americans Workshop.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison, Japan, I'm Aya Watsuchi.